but whenever I become nervous, I feel embarrassing, and suddenly I starting noticing the face of people who sit in front of me. So in
I want to change in myself is that I want to speak with everyone without any hesitation. I want to make eye contact with everyone.
I want to change me like a new person.
Improve my health. I want to improve my health, and also I want to create a plans about any doing work.
I want to change it, and I fly kite at only 5 a.m. And my say goodbye my bad thinking and
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Keshri. As everyone decided to bring some changes in him or herself this year, so I also want to make some changes in me. With the starting of this topic, New Year, New Me. So every day bring with new opportunities, but this year brings a box of opportunities, because changes are the first step towards your success. There is lot of things that I would like to change in me, but the two things I would say that it is important for changing in me this year to make me better this year. The first one, of course, I am very patience-less person. I have to become calm in every situation. And the second one, recently I noticed that I doesn't become nervous easily, but whenever I become nervous, I feel embarrassing, and suddenly I starting noticing the face of people who sit in front of me. So in last, I would like to say that you are capable to achieving everything, but don't let your fear hold you back from pursuing your passion. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Akshat, and today's my topic is New Year, New Me. So, as we know that the year was always past, but the person who want to do something in our life, so he started to do. As we see that if you starting something new, so you can start also in this year to see your perfection in your life. As I also do something in 2025, because I see I was not fit as a physically. I improve my health. I want to improve my health, and also I want to create a plans about any doing work before, because if you can do something in your life, so do and create a plan about it, because when you do something and at the middle you entangle it, because you don't know about how to come out the situation. But when you do something with the plans and set up plans, so you can do it. And second, my point is that if you do something, so do with this consistency, because it gives you the perfection, and set up goals what you want to be doing. So thank you, everyone.
Good morning, my name is Siddhant Gupta and I study in class 9. Today's my topic is New Year, New Me. So my first topic is, first point is, I wake up too late on holiday. So I want to change it, and I wake up at 7 a.m. early morning. The second point is, I fly kite whole day, so I want at season. I want to change it, and I fly kite at only 5 a.m. And my third point is, I use phone late night, so I want to change it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sri. Today I am coming here to express with you something about my topic. My today's topic is New Year, New Me. Everyone wants something new in his self. I also want something new in myself. I am very hesitated with talking with others in English. So I want to improve me myself with my teacher Suraj sir, who is helping me to increasing with this hesitation. And I also want something new. I want a lot of studies in my life. I want to become successful person in my life. I want my parents happy with me. In this new year, I want lot of things new in me. I want to change me myself with my last hesitation, last things. I want to change me like a new person.
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is New Year, New Me. Some few days are left to step into the new year. First one, I will become a new person and remove my negative thinking and say goodbye my say goodbye my bad thinking and bad friends. Those friends are negate. Those friends are me demotivate. So firstly, and new year is the never new, because you depend on your thinking ki what you change in your time. Every time is the most important of your change time, because every time is given to opportunity. So some people are waiting new year are coming, so I've changed my year goals and some others thinking. So I have a message for some people: don't waste your time, and you can easily to growth and success. And I will try to I will try to uh, uh, I will try to become a warrior to this year, because I faced too many challenges and take challenges. So I will try to my best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sarah Z, and my today's topic is New Year, New Me. And I want to express my views on this topic by saying that it is a little bit interesting topic, as we all want some changes in this year, upcoming year. And I also want to change something, because change is something that you can make yourself improve yourself in next year and make yourself better. And what I want to change in myself is that I want to speak with everyone without any hesitation. I want to make eye contact with everyone. Like everyone say, I can't make eye contact with someone. And I also want to overcome my inner fear that I cannot share my things with anyone. Okay, and like all everybody thought that changes make you different personality, but it's not. It makes you improve something. It makes your flaws to decrease, to make your flaws decrease. It's not change you to human to animal. It always make you improve and make you better. So think about yourself and make your goal to change something, because every year is a new chance to become to begging something new. Thank you so much.